Hey guys, Newman here with 910. I'm going to show you all a quick video on how to take out the M3, Impact M3 barrel, how to take it out, put it back in. Also, a little trick about the transport. Alright, so it's just like any other impact really. You take a 3mm, loosen this one bolt. It's back here on your rear block. It's where your serial number and it says FX and Smooth Twist X Superior. Like I said, it's pretty much the same exact setup as any other impact. So it's on the rear block in the top right corner. On the right hand side, you've got this one set screw right here. It takes, like I said, it takes a 3mm. You just back that out. You don't have to remove it all the way. You just take, and the barrel will slide right out. So I wanted to show y'all about this transport. So FX has now included the dual transport system on their on the 22 and 25 caliber, and they'll eventually have it for the 30 caliber. But as of right now, and it's August of 2021, there's no plans for 177 or 35, but that doesn't mean that there won't be one in the future. All right, in any case, for 22 and 25 caliber right now, if you turn the barrel, you'll have this one side that says P, and it's a circle hole. You turn the barrel 180 degrees, you'll have a squarish hole that has a bridge in the middle that says S. S is for slugs. The bridge to help stabilize the slug better. Also, it provides a little bit more airflow. Whereas P is your standard pellet port that has been used for probably decades for pellets. So, and across several different manufacturers. So, basically, this is your standard port. You'll see there's a little indexing groove at the tip there for it, and the same thing for the slug. So naturally, the pellet one is on the bottom. That's where your transport is a line that you're going to be using, and there's an index pin in the back. So if you want the pellet side down, you're going to take the pellet, turn it to the bottom, and push it in. Or if you want the slug, you're going to turn it to the bottom and push it in. So here we go. I'm going to take the slug port. I'm going to turn it 90 degrees so it's at the bottom of being able to view it. So if you can view it from the right hand side, all you have to do is rotate the barrel 90 degrees clockwise to where the slug is facing down, and then push that on back. So in the back of the gun, you'll see that little silver pin right there. That little silver pin right there, that's your index pin. So that's what lines up at the bottom of the barrel. And there you go, you can see the little slot on the bottom. There's also one at the very top, you can see that. That was for that pellet port. Remember we switched it 180 degrees. But that's the pin right there. So an important thing to check for is looking at it horizontal. You only want to see that one shoulder sticking out. If it sticks out any farther than that, then that will cause the magazine to not be able to enter. Also, you don't want it not sticking in like that, or actually here even a little farther like that, because now your transport's not aligned and your magazine won't line up properly. So you want to make sure that you're fully seated onto that pin, just like so. Once you're there, we'll zoom back out. You can, again, take the 3mm to that screw. Just hand tight. And there we go. That's your M3 barrel.